That yearly urge for a fresh start is here. You've watched all the home organization shows and bought those clear acrylic bins. But let's be honest, something is still missing. Your space is tidier, but it doesn't have that polished, magazine-worthy after-look. The secret isn't just the containers, it's the crisp, custom labels that tie everything together. Forget the clunky, frustrating label makers of the past with their tiny keyboards. The modern solution is a sleek Bluetooth label maker that connects directly to your smartphone. Today, we are comparing the two absolute best Bluetooth label makers for your 2026 spring cleaning. First up, the best for budget and aesthetics, the Phomemo D30. This little gadget is a social media darling for a reason. It's incredibly compact, comes in fun retro colors, and the app is unbelievably simple to use. It uses thermal printing technology, which means zero ink cartridges and zero mess. You just design on your phone and print instantly. It is perfect for quick, everyday tasks like labeling spice jars, charging cables, and file folders. At a very affordable price point, it's the perfect entry-level tool for getting that aesthetic look. However, the labels are thermal paper, meaning they aren't fully waterproof or ideal for harsh conditions. So, what if you are a serious organizer who needs heavy-duty, long-lasting labels? Enter our second pick, the best for power and professional results, the Brother P Touch Cube Plus. This is the ultimate upgrade for your home and garage. Its biggest advantage is that it prints on incredibly durable laminated tapes. These labels are 100% waterproof, fade-proof, and can survive the dishwasher or freezing temperatures. The Cube Plus also prints much wider labels, up to 1 inch thick, making it perfect for large storage bins. It even features a built-in automatic cutter for a perfect, clean edge every time. So, which one should you buy? If you want quick, fun, and aesthetic labeling for small items, the Phomemo D30 is an unbeatable value. But if you need pro-level, durable labels for garage totes, outdoor gear, and kitchen prep, the Brother Cube Plus is a worthy investment. Ready to transform your messy spaces into a perfectly organized sanctuary? Click the link in the description below to read our full breakdown and see the latest prices. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more home organization hacks.